हेलो, मैं मुकेश पाटिल और आप देख रहे हैं आप सबकी अपनी चैनल स्टडी विथ एमपी। आज हम देखेंगे स्टैंडर्ड नाइन्थ सोशल साइंस रेमेडियल टेस्ट। ओके, और उसका पूरा सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पर, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन शॉर्ट, जिसके 6 मार्क्स है। जिसमें फर्स्ट है, व्हाट वेर द सोशल एविल्स प्रिवेलेंट इन इंडिया बिफोर इंडिपेंडेंस। तो before independence, various evils like superstition, taboos, child marriage, denial of widow marriage, remarriage, the practice of sati, female infanticide as soon as she was born, polygamy, dowry system, selling of girls, etc. were prevalent in India. Second question है, write about the social reform brought by Thakkar Bapa to reform the lives of tribal people, Bills, who inhabited the deep forests and hilly areas of Panchmal. He established the Panchmal Bill Seva Mandal. Thakkar Bapa's contribution as the head of Akhil Hind Harijan Sangh, established by Gandhiji, was very valuable for upliftment of untouchable Harijans. Third, what were the activities that are undertaken by Arya Samaj towards the society? The Arya Samaj started a reconversion movement whereby Hindus who had changed their religion could be reinstated into their original religion. The Arya Kanya School was started at Vadodara, Gujarat, where girls were taught discipline, dignity of labor, tolerance, patience, and moral values. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, मैच दी कॉलन। टोटल मार्क्स 4। लैंड पॉल्यूशन, तो आंसर आएगा थ्रोइंग ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट ऑन लैंड। सेकंड है वाटर पॉल्यूशन, तो आंसर आएगा रिलीज ऑफ केमिकल वेस्ट इनटू रिवर्स। थर्ड वन है एयर पॉल्यूशन, तो आंसर आएगा व्हीकल्स रन ऑन पेट्रोल एंड डीजल। फोर्थ वन है नॉइस पॉल्यूशन, तो आंसर होगा यूज ऑफ लाउड स्पीकर ड्यूरिंग फेस्टिवल्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 बी, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन शॉर्ट। टोटल मार्क 6। First question, write the steps to reduce air pollution. The answer is rules are necessary for industries and vehicles and this must be strictly implemented. Equipment which can filter smoke and poisonous gases should be developed and installed in industries. Petrol and petrol and diesel should be used very judiciously. Pollution-free fuels as CNG or LPG used in vehicles will help to a great extent and PUC checks should be strictly implemented. Forest and vegetation cover should be increased. Second question, write the measure to stop water pollution. Answer, government should implement pollution control policy properly over industries by forbidding from releasing their dirty water into river, canal, lake, seas and land as well. There should be a strict instruction to all industries to purify their polluted water before it is drained into sea, river or canal. Question number 3A. Identify me. Total marks 4. First, Hindi Rashtriya Mahasabha was established by my effort. The answer is Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. Second, I wrote the novel Anand Math. The answer is Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Third, Swaraj is my birthright. I shall have it. The answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Fourth, I was known as Shere Punjab. The answer is Lala Lajpat Rai. Question number 3B. Write short for total mark 6. First is Swadeshi Andolan. So the Bang Bang movement was led with three main objectives. First, to trade and use Indian Swadeshi goods only. Second, to boycott imported, means British goods. And third, to acquire national education and boycott English education. Under the leadership of renowned members like Surendranath Banerjee, Bipin Chandra Pal, Arvind Ghosh, etc. of the Indian National Congress, a committee was formed to spread the protest against the partition of Bengal by urging Indians to boycott foreign goods. This message was spread through newspapers, processions, and meetings. Factories producing Swadeshi goods were set up. Thus, there was a sharp decline in the use of foreign goods. Since many students participated in the protest against Bang Bang movement, punitive actions such as expelling them from schools and college were leave by the British government. So 25 national secondary schools and 300 national schools were started in Bengal in 1907 C. Rabindranath Tagore has started the Vishwa Bharati School at Santiniketan. Second, Home Rule Andolan. So between 1916 and 1980, when the First World War had just ended, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Madam Annie Besant, along with prominent Indians like Joseph Baptista, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, G.K. Kharpade, Sir S. Subramaniam Iyer, organized a National Alliance of League in India to demand home rule within the British Empire for all in India. Tilak was conferred the title of Lokmanya for propagating the home rule through his newspaper Kesari and Maratha. Madam Annie Besant wrote various articles in the weekly The Commonwealth and Daily New India. She appointed to the British to cede administrative powers and grant the home rule to India at the earliest. Annie Besant was kept under house arrest at Uti due to protest and demonstrate at various places. The British had to finally set her free. The Home Rule movement was supported by the Indian National Congress as well as the Muslim League. Question number 4. Answer the following question briefly. Total mark 6. First, why should judiciary be independent? So should answer. So should the judges be under anyone's influence, or if they are controlled by any influential or powerful people, they will not be able to give impartial judgment. Therefore, our constitution does not allow any such interference. Consequently, the judiciary is independent of the legislature and the executive body. Second, what are the function of Supreme Court? Function of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court of India is the highest court of appeal in India. It uh, it has very specific function to perform. Original jurisdiction. Under the original jurisdiction, Supreme Court has authority to hear and make decision in first instance. The original jurisdiction covers the case like any dispute between the union government and one or more states, dispute between two states, dispute between the union government and any state, fundamental right case. Appellate judiciary. Under the appellate jurisdiction, an appeal can be made in the Supreme Court regarding any judgment of a High Court if it is certified by the High Court. The Supreme Court may grant a special leave of appeal in case a High Court refuses to give such certificate. Consultative jurisdiction. In any case of the public importance, the President of India may seek the opinion of the Supreme Court, but in the case Supreme Court is not bound by any obligation to express its opinion, nor is any opinion expressed by the Supreme Court binding on the President. D. Court of Record. The Supreme Court of India keeps the record of all the judgment for further reference and discussion in the court. Hence, the Supreme Court is known as the Court of Record. Question number 5. State whether the following statements are true or false. 3 marks. First, India tricolor flag was first hosted by Madam Kama. Right. India House was established by Bhagat Singh. Wrong. Vasudev Balwant Phadke was the pioneer of revolutionary movement. Right. Question number 5. Write short note on Chandrasekhar Azad. 5 marks. 3 marks. Answer. Chandrasekhar Azad was a revolutionary who vehemently believed in liberty India from the British rule and taught fervently for the freedom. He was born in February 1931 in Madhya Pradesh. His surname was Tiwari and Azad was a self-proclaimed name meaning liberated. As per his mother's dream of his becoming a Sanskrit scholar, Azad went to the Sanskrit Vidyalaya in Varanasi. Even in his growing up year, he was influenced by Gandhiji's non-cooperate movement. When he was arrested, he is known to have told his name as Azad. From this point, he came to be known as Chandrasekhar Azad. He pledged that he would always be free and never be caught. In early years, Azad came in touch with Ram Prasad Bismillah, the founder of Hindustan Republican Association. Bismillah was impressed by Azad as he held his hand over a flame to prove his unflinching determination to liberate India. Azad later renamed this organization to Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. He associated with the revolutionary like Bhagat Singh and Rajguru. While helping a friend in Alfred Bragg in Allahabad, he was surrounded by the police who were stripped of his presence by an informant. As he helped his colleague flee, he was unable to join him. He did not surrender but shot himself and thus remained free as he had pledged. Chandrasekhar Azad still remains a legend in India. Question number 6. Match the column 4 marks. चोरा चोरी तो उत्तर प्रदेश, चंपारण तो बिहार, अमृतसर तो पंजाब, बरडोली तो गुजरात. Question number 6. Give reason. Total 6 marks. First, Simon Commission was opposed in India. So the Indian opposed the Simon Commission as it did not have even a single Indian member within its fold and hence would not be expected to represent over even taken into account the concern of the Indian population. It was rejected by Nehru, Gandhi, Jinnah, Pakistan, the Muslim League and Indian National Congress because its report was partial and inadequate. India so it is violent to their right of self-determination and result to their self-respect. Second, the Rowlatt Act was called as Black Law. Answer. The Rowlatt Act of 1990 was also called the Black Act of Law because it was influenced by Imperial Legislative Council. Despite opposition of India's, the Rowlatt Act passed in 1990 allowed the British government to arrest Indian political leaders without any trial of warrant. Gandhiji called Rowlatt Act as Black Law because it gave power to Britishers over political activities and also gave them the power to arrest anyone on a suspicion. 3. Gandhiji withdrew the non-cooperative movement. So Gandhiji decided to withdraw the non-cooperative movement due to various incidents of violence perpetrated by the masses, especially the Chora Chori incident in 1922 where the people clashed with the police sitting the police station. Question number 6. Answer the following question by choosing the correct option. 3 marks. Okay. First number है which event happened due to civil disobedient movement. तो आंसर आएगा बी दांडी मार्च. सेकंड वन है whom did गांधी जी propose to be the first सत्याग्रही. तो आंसर आएगा सी विनोबा भावे. और थर्ड वन है डू और डाई स्लोगन इज गिवन बाय गांधी जी इन विच मूवमेंट. तो आंसर आएगा डी क्वाइट इंडिया. 7 number. Answer the following question in brief. 8 marks. Write any 6 internal problems of India. Total 8 marks. Answer. Overpopulation, literacy, inflation, poverty, unemployment, urbanization, corruption, communalism, terrorism. Second, write the steps taken by government to remove literacy. So the government has declared free and compulsory education at primary level for the age group of 6 to 14 years old children. Scholarship, free midday meals, girl education related policy like Vidyadeep scheme, residential school for tribal people, adult education program, schools for tribal people, adult education program, etc. Since 2009, the Right to Education RT Act has been introduced and implemented. Question number 3. Write the effect of corruption. Violation of human rights hinders to the development of nation, deterioration of moral value, increase in inflation, lack of trust in law and order. Question number 4. Question number 4. Write the measure to remove unemployment. Answer. The measure of removal of unemployment can be started as below. Population control, encouragement to cottage industry, agricultural development, industrial development, educational reform, 5-year plans, encouragement to vocational educational rural development program, employment guarantee program, etc. Question number 8. Classify the following example under the organized and unorganized sector. Question total mark 4. First, teacher in government school to organize. Second, farmer farming in their farm to unorganized. Third, labor under control as daily basis to unorganized. 4. Labor working in big factory to organize. Question number 8b. Answer the following in brief. Total 6 marks. First, which economic activities come under primary sector? 6 marks. Answer: forest areas, mining area, animal husbandry areas, fishery, etc. are included in primary sector. Second, what is globalization? The answer: globalization means the world becoming one or countries coming closer to one another. Due to globalization, any country of the world can trade with another country easily. Third, give the example of cooperative sector. Answer: the dairy run by the National Dairy Development Board (NDDB), Dudhsagar Dairy, Amul Dairy, etc. Apart from this, many sugar factories are run by government standards. Other cooperative sector units are Gujarat Cooperative Oil Seeds Growers Federation Limited, GroFed, Gujarat State Cooperative Marketing Society Limited, Gujmu. Question number 9. Write short note on first importance of disarmament. 6 marks. If all the countries of the world cooperate with the UN, world peace can be truly achieved. For world peace, it is necessary that all nations agree to the policy of disarmament. That is said, they agree to stop the manufacture of deadly weapons of mass destruction. Crores of rupees which are spent on the manufacture of these lethal weapons can be saved and thereby used for the welfare of mankind. Men should realize that the earth is the only home we have. No other planet has life, so human beings must aim at achieving world peace and universal brotherhood by adopting the policy of disarmament. Second, Security Committee. Second, Security Committee. Answer: Security Council is the most important organ of UN. It works to safeguard international peace and security. The Security Council enjoys tremendous power to manage peace and security in the world. Its aim is, as far as possible, to solve disputes between nations diplomatically. It is the Executive Council of United Nations. It is made up of 15 members. USA, Russia, United Kingdom, Britain, France, and China are its 5 permanent members. The other 10 members are elected by General Assembly. The head of the Security Council is known as the Secretary General. All 5 permanent members who have the veto power must agree over any decision. If not, they can cast a negative vote and decision or resolution cannot be passed. Question number 10. Who am I? 5 marks. First, I live in African forest and in Gir forest, so lion. Second, I am the longest river of the world, so Nile River. Third, I am famous country of pyramids, Egypt. Fourth, I am the highest peak in the world, so Mount Everest. 5. I was known as Sinhala Island or Ceylon in the past, the Republic of Sri Lanka.